Be starting off with Nasdaq. Starting off with Nasdaq, taking a look at the monthly. Nasdaq started the month of May off at 8567 on TradingView. Price is currently at 9581, so the monthly candle closed at 9581. Very strong bullish move this previous month on Nasdaq. Broke through a previous resistance. Previous monthly candle closed out at about 91.59, just under 91.60. We were able to break through that this month, so I do believe we could potentially see a bit of a pullback on open tomorrow, 1st of June. Probably try find sub at about 95 again before popping up. I do believe that we could see some continued bullish momentum on Nasdaq this month. That still remains to be seen. However, I do believe we could probably see a bit of a pullback. Not too sure if a slight pullback. I'm looking at 95 to back down to 91.60. A very drastic one, we're looking at a move right back down to the 86.90 level where it previously found support. But definitely, I do believe a strong bullish move was how we ended off the week. If you take a look at the weekly, take a look at the candlestick formations over here. Yeah, the last week was quite bullish. Found support at about 91.77, and the next resistance that's yet to be taken out is the 97.59 level. That's the previous resistance that we had there. Price hit 97.59 back in 17th of Feb, and that's around the time the coronavirus stuff started to really come through. So I do believe that we could take out those highs. However, do look out for a bit of a potential pullback on open, maybe a pullback for Monday. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking when it comes to the monthly and the weekly. When it comes to Nasdaq, we'll take a look at Euro Yen now. See what Euro Yen did this month. Just take away all of that. Cool. So Nasdaq started the month off at Euro Yen, my bad. Started the month off at 114.375. Worked its way up to a high of about 120, and now price currently was closed at 119.662. I'm seeing a what do I call a bullish, potential bullish flag pattern here on Euro Yen. It was short since about the 1st of Feb. The 1st of Feb, Euro Yen has been very bearish in the long term. Or in the overall trend, we could see more highs being taken. I'm seeing a double bottom on Euro Yen because previous price found stop at around the 112 level and popped up to the 137 level before falling. So overall long-term trend here, I'm seeing a bullish run first to retest the previous highs at around 112.912, so basically 123 level for the month of June. And the first test it has to undergo is 121 level. So I do believe that we could see a push to the upside when it comes to Euro Yen. Taking a look at the weekly. Yeah, quite bearish for the past bullish, my bad. Quite bullish for the past 3 weeks. Large engulfing candle in the last week on Euro Yen. So yeah, definitely Euro Yen is looking to fight and get back up there. Take out probably its previous highs. Taking a look at pound dollar now. Just keeping those charts nice and clean. The last week for pound dollar, it was, gosh, pound dollar's been quite confused this week. A whole lot of ups, whole lot of downs, whole lot of retesting and not being able to break. It retested 1.26 and shorted all the way down to 1.20693. closed at 1.23455 for June. So that's current price for for pound dollar. Taking a look at the weekly, there is potential for price to go and retest 1.26, probably try take out 1.26470 level. But I'd like to see what this does in the next few days to a week to see if that's plausible. However, I won't be touching pound dollar this Monday. I think I'll take a look at it from Tuesday onward. But yeah, it's really been struggling. It consolidated for some weeks. It's been consolidating. Price has been trapped between 1.24865 and 1.20 for a while now. So we'd see if price is going to break out at any point on pound dollar. So that's that for the weekly. Then the brand new German 30 is what we've got next. Taking a look at the monthly. So back on the 2nd of March, it made a low at 7972. In April, on the 1st of April, price popped up 9286. Shot up all the way to 11,355. From there, the May candle opened at 10,110, shot up to 11,844, and closed at 11,675. I am seeing a bit of a resistance on the pair at 11715 area. So I do believe that the strength of these bull candles does prove that it is looking to retest and potentially break and gap up to the 12,400 level. I do believe so that resistance could potentially turn to the support level. Taking a look at the weekly on German 30. That's a daily. Yeah, it seems like price is building up momentum. Previous sub being 10,400 level popped up. Weekly, the high is 13,827. Broke through the previous resistance 11,355. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of potential for some continued bull moves here. However, as you could see, I will be posting this analysis on Instagram and on the YouTube channel, because I know it's hard to follow along just in voice form. But plotting the resistance level around the 11,677 level. If price is to break that, we could go up to 12.4 and then potentially a push for 13.810, especially with sentiment growing in Europe and lockdown regulations being eased in Europe. We could definitely see euro stocks push higher. So I'm going to be watching this quite carefully, but just take note of that 11,677 previous resistance level. Potential for it to become sub, but there's also potential if it bounces. I'm looking at price going back to the previous support level of 10.4 before perhaps trying to break price once again. Take a look at the daily chart of German 30. Yeah, we're having an interesting candle closure over there. Have a bit of a spinning top, which is showing us potential for price to climb higher. Excuse me. We'll see if it could break resistance. Let's see how it opens on Monday. I will be posting this on Twitter as well, some analysis 4 hour, 1 hour, the likes. But yeah, that's it. That is all when it comes to analysis. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Perpetual Pips episode 5. Thanks for listening and rocking with me throughout all these episodes. I hope that your week goes well. I hope you had a great June, as I mentioned earlier. I hope you're able to smash all your targets for the month. I hope that you keep safe in these times. Just chill at home and make some pips. Learn the skill set. A lot of people been DMing me, especially this last week, asking me for mentorship and asking me for just guidance. And definitely do not feel afraid to do so. Hit me up, Perpetual Pips on Twitter and on Instagram. That's one word, Perpetual Pips. Working on the site. It's gonna be launching real soon. Got a YouTube channel. Just search Perpetual Pips as well. There's the first episode of the podcast is on there. And I'm gonna be posting analysis from time to time on there. Twitter is where I post the most analysis. I post almost every day. Instagram, I tend to post 3 to 4 times a week, and I post all the trades that were taken in the week on Instagram. I'm also going to be trying to be going live on YouTube or Instagram anytime soon, but keep you guys up to date, keep you guys posted on everything as it unfolds. Most likely on Twitter and Instagram. Nonetheless, guys, have an absolutely amazing week, an absolutely amazing June. Collect more pips, learn, trade, and withdraw and enjoy those profits. Have a great one, yeah?